Change of scenery today. As you can tell, we're up at Bass Lake, and the reason being we have a lot, well, I guess there doesn't really have to be a reason because we always generally go on little adventures, but today specifically we needed to kind of get a breath of fresh air, regroup, and kind of refresh ourselves because we have a lot coming up in the near future. We'll set down the camera and explain. She's generally the one that has this schedule generally mapped out. I have this calendar that I write in to keep me aware of what's going on, but that doesn't always help. So thankfully, she helps out with the whole schedule situation. Okay, nonetheless, I do remember that this Wednesday coming up, we're going to be going to Nashville. So if any of you out there live in Nashville, around Nashville, let us know, because we want to meet up with some people. We're definitely going to be doing some bar hopping.
I've been building my tolerance for a month now. I'm doing pretty good.
Yeah, literally every day, almost every day, she's had at least one drink because we honestly have no tolerance whatsoever when it comes to alcohol.
Yeah, it all started when we were at Dinky Creek for our last adventure, and one White Claw, a hard water, got me drunk, and I was like, nope.
Yeah, so this whole Nashville trip, we're basically setting ourselves up for failure, but I mean, we're willing to take this head on. So yes, sorry for rambling. If any of you out there live near Nashville, in Nashville, let us know. And also, if you have any recommendations for bars to venture around, to venture to, not only bars, but other places of interest, please let us know. Now, so we're gonna be in Nashville for what, 4 days? We're gonna be in Nashville for 4 days. Then we get back from Nashville, and then we're heading to Iceland. And this is literally, I think, 3 or 4 days after.
4 days later.
So 4 days later, 4 days after we get back, we're gonna be going to Iceland for 10 days. Is it 10 days?
8 days.
8 days. We're gonna be gone for 10 days altogether for Iceland. And the Iceland project, it's really cool. Now, initially, I was growing my hair back because I thought that I was going to need to have my hair for Iceland because they wanted me to have a mohawk. But things have changed, and there's going to be a big change coming up in the near future. I'm not going to tell you exactly what it is, but there's going to be big change in the near future, so stay tuned for that. I don't think that I've told any of you this, but as far as Iceland, we're going there for a project, and we were invited by the Beard Struggle to go out there, and we're going to be doing a kind of a Viking scenario while we're out there. And so there's going to be around 10 of us going all together. So it should be an absolutely amazing time. 2 of the guys I've been friends with for probably 6 years now through social media. So it's going to be awesome for us to finally get together and have a few brews in Iceland. So it's really awesome. So that being said,
he agrees.
Yeah, and the duck in the background agrees. So with that being said, we're going to try to put a lot of content while we're out there on YouTube and Instagram. Instagram will be a lot easier for sure. We'll be able to do that. So if you're not following my Instagram, my Instagram's Dan's Beard, D-A-N-Z Beard, all one word obviously for Instagram. And this is Stephanie, for those of you that don't know, and her Instagram is at Little Miss Fitspo. That's at LITTLEMISSFITSPO. I'll put it right here. So yes, and also there should be a lot of content on the Beard Struggle as well, on their IG story, following us around on this Viking adventure in Iceland. So we're really looking forward to this. I hope that you guys are looking forward to it, because I'm definitely going to share my experience. If not on YouTube, I will have it on Instagram for sure. But nonetheless, there will be a big video coming soon with the Iceland experience. And then after Iceland, what do we have?
Las Vegas.
So Las Vegas after Iceland.
And then we have Venice Beach.
Venice Beach.
North Carolina.
North Carolina for my birthday. I'm going to be visiting we're going to be visiting one of my brothers in North Carolina. He lives in Concord, and my twin brother is actually going to be meeting us out in North Carolina. It's going to be fun.
And then Disneyland for my birthday.
I'm not a huge Disneyland
That's
fan.
why I had to choose Disneyland for my birthday, because it's the only way he'd go.
And to just wait for something extreme coming up in the near future. A lot of you are really going to like what I'm going to be doing, and there's others, Tanya, that's really going to hate this new change that's coming up in the near future. As always, I hope that you found this video helpful. Probably not. Perhaps intriguing. If you did, please go ahead and give this a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe. And until next time,
Cheers.
peace. We'll see you in Nashville.